Here we go, money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stock Brother bringing you those bangers. Today we're gonna recap some stocks with some big gains this week. So let's take care of some business, then we'll get right into it. If you're new to the channel, this channel is about making that money, investing in stocks, and of course making more money. So before we get started, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so we can all get that paper together. The first stock we're going to talk about is Legalzoom.com Incorporated. The ticker symbol is LZ. The stock price is $36.39. They were up over 7.5% today. They had a gain of $2.55. So the shareholders made some bank today. So congrats to the people that made some money. All right. So why did they go up today? Why did this stock go up? Now, earlier in the week, Legalzoom came out with some news that said that they partnered with USC Marshall School of Business to foster the next generation of social entrepreneurs. So that partnership, it says, will provide scholarship and curriculum support to the Brittingham Social Enterprise Lab. So apparently the shareholders were very happy about that. Okay, so this is not the first time Legalzoom partnered with another company. Okay, so again, shareholders were happy, stock was up. Let's go on to the next stock. Now the next stock we're going to talk about is Outlook Therapeutics. The ticker symbol is OTLK. Now this stock is going for $2.28. They were up 6% for the day, and they were up about 13 cents. All right, so now let me tell you a little bit about Outlook. Now this stock has a year range of from 58 cents to $4.26. Now I actually got into the stock in July, late July. Got into the stock in late July. Loaded up on this one because I really like what they were what I was reading about this one. All right, now Outlook, they came out with some news in early August, which stated Outlook Therapeutics report positive efficacy and safety data from pivotal phase 3 NORSE 2 trial of their drug. Okay, I'm not even gonna pronounce that because that's kind of hard to pronounce. But anyway, so we loaded up on this one in early July. News came out, and man, stock jumped up. All right, just stock jumped up, and we made some bank on this one. So Outlook Therapeutics, I got in late July, picked up about 6,000 shares. When the news hit, stock popped, and I made major bank on this one. So I made over $4,500 on this one, as you can see. So you know, major salute to the peeps that picked up some shares, who took the tip and made money on this one. All right, so now the stock has dipped. Okay, it has dipped, and like I said, I like what I read about this stock. Okay, now we picked up some more, we loaded the boat, and we're gonna hold this one long term. Now in the first quarter of 2022, they plan to submit a BLA to the Federal Food and Drug Administration. So we're gonna just say FDA for short. So they're gonna submit a BLA. And I think that this stock really has a great chance of being approved. This drug has a great chance of being approved. So again, we're going to load the boat, but I'm going to tell y'all to be a little careful with this one. Okay? Because it looks like they may need to raise some money. So regardless of that, I'm still going to pick up shares. If they put out a raise, the stock might dip a little bit. If it dips, ain't no problem. We're going to pick up some more stock. Okay, but we're definitely gonna hold this one for the long term. Now, if you notice, you know, I put $13,000, over $13,000 in there, but you guys don't need to put that much money in there. I did that because I had a strong conviction in that particular company, and you know, I thought that it had a really good chance of having a good outcome for that phase 3. But what I want to teach you guys is that I mean, you can put in $1,000 if you wanted to. You can put in $2,000 if you wanted to. All right. The object is to grow your money. All right. I know a lot of people don't have this amount of money to put in. But you know, that's where I am at, so I can do that. But again, start small, work your way up. You're gonna make the money. Okay, so don't be intimidated when you see that much money going in. I mean, I could have went in with $2,000, $1,000, and in the beginning, that's what I did. Okay, that's what I did, and I built up my account to the point where now I can put that, you know, large amount in there, and I go even larger sometimes, depending on the stock, depending on, you know, how I feel about it and if I think it has a lot of potential. So again, don't be intimidated. You're gonna see some of my plays where I won't even put a lot in there. You'll see. We'll make these little gains. Okay, what I like to call base hits. Okay, so this one wasn't a base hit. This was actually a home run right here for me. All right. So again, don't be intimidated by that. Now, if we go over the tip ranks, you can see that there's a $6 price target on this one, annual price target. Okay, so I think this stock has a lot of upside. They may even go higher than $6. Okay, so tip ranks, they got 2 analysts right now that's looking at this one, and from what I read, this is $1 billion company. This is going to be $1 billion drug. Okay, 80% chance of this drug being approved by the FDA. So load the boat. That's what I did personally. All right, so again, $6 upside. Stock is cheap right now, but be careful. They may do a raise for some cash. If they do that, if you want to wait until after the raise and then pick up lower, you can do that. But I'm gonna load the boat regardless. If it goes lower, I'll pick up some more stock, but I'm gonna hold this one for the long term because I have a feeling this is gonna rock for real. The next stock on the list is Marathon Digital Holdings. Ticker symbol is MARA. This one is at $35.26. They were up over 10% today. Now, the stock made about $3.45. And what I want you guys to look at is the year's range. Now look where this stock was a year ago, almost a year ago. It was at $1.48. Okay, and the high was $57.75. So I think this one has a lot of potential to keep moving up, and I think it will pass this $57.75 in my opinion. All right, so this one is definitely one to keep an eye on. All right. And I think you'll make some major bank on this one, definitely. The next stock on the list is Foot Locker, ticker symbol FL. Now, Foot Locker, the stock price today was $58.34. They were up 7.26% for the day. Now, they had a $3.95 gain. Now, why did Foot Locker go up? Now, according to this article here, it says that the shares of Foot Locker surged on Friday after the sportswear and footwear retailer reported surprisingly strong second quarter results. Okay, now we go down here where it says so what. Now this is the most important part. Now a 6.9% rise in comparable store sales helped drive Foot Locker's revenue up 9.5% year over year to $2.3 billion. The gains were fueled by robust sales of women's and kids' footwear, apparel, and accessories. So major shout out to the shareholders that banked today on Foot Locker with that big price jump. Now, if we look at the year range for Foot Locker, you can see that it went from $26.90 a year ago all the way up to $6.71. This stock has been on a tear, man, and it's still near its highs, and I believe that it has a potential to go even higher than that. Okay, strong earnings like that. Oh man, I mean, you guys did good, man. You guys did good today. So big shout out to the guys who got that alert, bought in, and made that bank today. So guys, comment down below and let me know what you thought about the stocks that we spoke about today. All right, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, smash that like button, okay, because that's gonna really help my channel. And if you want to support the channel, you can join the Patreon. All right, if you join the Patreon, there's a bonus that you get to see my entries, my into stocks and my exits of stocks. So you get to see when I get into a stock, when I get out of stock. So that's the bonus for supporting the channel. So I would really appreciate it. I came from the bottom to the top. I was a small guy and made money over the years, and I want to show you how to do the same thing. All right, so again, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, let's get that paper.